For now, we're shifting our attention. Well, the ex-SEBI chief, Madhabi Butch, 5 others have moved the High Court seeking to quash the order directing an FIR against them for alleged stock market fraud. That's the update that's coming in. So, Madhabi Butch as well as 5 others have moved the High Court seeking the quashing of the case against them. The BSE MD as well as 4 other officials have moved the Bombay High Court seeking to quash a special court order that directed an FIR against them for alleged stock market fraud and regulatory violations. In fact, these pleas were also mentioned before a single bench of Justice S.C. Digge for the details of the same. Okay, all right. So let's get you these details. The bench has said that it would hear the pleas on Tuesday and added that until then, the State Anti-Corruption Bureau, which was directed to probe the case, shall not act upon the special court order. The Solicitor General Tushar Mehta also appeared for Butch and 3 others. Let's go across to my colleague Shweta joining us on the broadcast with the details. Shweta, what are the details of the case? Now we understand in the latest, Madhabi Butch as well as 4 others have moved court.
Well, that's absolutely correct. In a major development, we understand that earlier, in fact, ACB, that's Worli unit, had to submit their report in 30 days. But now we are seeing that not only ex-chief of SEBI, Madhabi Butch, alongside there are 3 topmost officials of SEBI have moved to High Court. Now they have been seeking to squash the FIR that is to be registered against them. Now the charges are also, if we just go through the charges, it states about the alleged fraudulent listing of the companies in BSE. And also we understand that ex-SEBI chief has moved to Bombay High Court to seek squashing of the FIR against her. Now remember, when it comes to the special court in Mumbai, in fact, the Anti-Corruption Bureau had been ordered to register an FIR against Butch as well as 3 others of SEBI, so that the irregularities can be...
Okay, so let's see whether there will be any relief for them or not. Thank you for joining us with those details. With that, let's shift our attention now. This morning, Prime Minister Narendra Modi went on a lion safari at Gir Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat's Junagadh. Take a look at the glimpses of the safari.